In a world teetering on the brink of change, prophecy and rebellion collide, igniting a race for ultimate power. Join Louis, Naira, Alund and Isabella as they navigate a realm of danger, destiny, and the will of the gods. From the acclaimed author of The Hidden Blade and The Ducal Heir, Marie M. Mullaney presents the third, riveting installment of the Sangwheel Chronicles, The Lion Vessel. After 2 decades of running role-playing campaigns, I have found my passion in writing, and I am very pleased to bring to you Sangwheel Chronicles. Book 1, The Hidden Blade, came out in 2021. Book 2, The Ducal Heir, came out in 2022, and now in 2023 I am ready to release The Lion Vessel to the world. With rave reviews and a growing fan base, the Sangwheel Chronicles has captivated hearts and minds. Back our campaign and you can choose from ebooks, physical editions, or immerse yourself in the audiobook experience. The Lion Vessel is complete and ready to share. With your help, the narration thereof can be lifted from my own narration to a professional narrator reading the audiobook. Your contribution means more than just funding. It's a belief in a world, its characters, and the tale they weave. Join us in shaping Sangwheel Chronicles' legacy. If you can't contribute, sharing the campaign helps just as much. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Let's venture into Lumiaron together.